Hi guys, now what are the changes of irreversible cell injury? The changes of irreversible cell injury are autolysis, necrosis, gangrene and apoptosis. Okay, so in this video I'll be explaining you what is autolysis. Autolysis is a procedure of self digestion, okay, means where it is also called a suicide of a cell, where the cell itself commits the suicide, okay. So that's why it is called a self digestion. In this process what happens is it is a process of self digestion of a cell through its hydrolytic enzyme liberated through lysosomes. This is the definition of it. What happens basically when a cell cannot cope up with a cell injury, okay, injury caused by an injurious agent, because of its stress or something, that it is not having a capacity to cope up with it, it is not getting back into the recovery, and it has lost its hope completely. The cell has lost its hope completely. So what happens is now cell cannot live, but it can die automatically, not affected by a pathogen or not affected by the injurious agent. It can die by itself. So this process is called autolysis. Now how this happens? When there is prolonged ischemia and hypoxia, what happens is a cell gets deteriorated. Now because of the deterioration, there is abnormal functioning of a cell. Now because of this abnormal function being for so long, the cell becomes completely functionless. When the cell becomes completely functionless, the cell is now inactive. It is not active as other cells present in our body, it is getting inactivated. Now because of this inactivity, what brain does is it passes a command to a cell that you just commit a suicide. You don't get killed under a pathogen or don't get killed under a injurious agent, you just commit a suicide. So cell agrees it, then the lysosomes of the cell secrete the hydrolytic enzyme. After its secretion, what happens is the slowly the cell wall is getting digested. Then some part of cytoplasm is digested, some part of some organelles are digested, ribosomes and RER are digested, and because of which the cell is in a position that there is complete digestion of every cell organelle inside it, and there is complete digestion of everything except the cell wall. So this is how the cell becomes totally empty, and this process what happened is called autolysis. So I hope you might have understood the topic. Thank you.